First, two leaders will shake hands. Yes, please.
So hello guys, I am Hiran Naik and today we are going to discuss the education system is private is better or government. As we all know, every education system make the country. Like country is depending on the education. Because education system is good, so country become good. And that's why our government makes some government schools and teach the other students who can't afford schools. But in government school, teacher can't teach properly. She collect like 1-2 students and they teach, and on meeting they say I am teaching them. I don't know why they are not learning. And in condition of government school is very weak and like poor. I give example like at near there is a government school, and I in like past I used to go tuition there. My tuition is near that school. When I used to go, students are like Shakti Olangan, they are like bunk easily and nobody stop them. They can do their fighting with each other. And like the toilets, they're very like dirty. And in private school, the teacher are making the future of the student and they are telling moral values to the students. And they are making the future bright of the students.
Okay. I am Shivam here and I talk about I oppose your question. You say that in government colleges study is not doing properly, but I give you example first. In sector 55, the Sanskriti Modern School, it's a government school, and in 2020, 3 students are topped in it. And many nowadays government schools are improve our facilities, and we see the in a major chunk the government schools are like show like our private school. They give job to workers for develop like for toilets, for peon, for any etc. And they improve all things. Nowadays we see not a government school. In a private school, many students are bunked in time, many periods, and many PTS, and they are not taught, and they not punished him.
Yes.
Because
School
they,
have PT teachers, they scold very strictly.
because the teachers say him that they take it half day.
It's not good. I am also studying private school, and like my school, I have like 2-3 PT teachers that go round in corridor and see nobody is coming outside without permission, and everyone have outpass. If someone have outpass, then he will go.
I am also studying private school, but in private school I have no outpass, and I have go everywhere, no teacher, and no one talk to me that where are you going, where are you going. So in many times, much time I see in government colleges, private sector schools, the students are jumping in classroom on a bench and fight each other.
We have CCTV camera for that.
No CCTV camera is not
It's not in your school. In my school, we have CCTV camera.
We
And
have
the principal is watching it.
so no many students.
You can say all students
All
study in your school.
all government schools are not same too. Okay.
He can say all students
Like you are
study
saying
in your school.
government school are like developed like good. Giving example of Saraswati. So how you say like we have many government school which are not good. They are not teaching properly.
No, why are you saying that not teaching properly? I say give you example in sector 55 modern Sanskrit school, 3 students are taught, and
When I give you example, there is a school.
when you go to take admission, he take 90% marks. It's compulsory to take admission
No, it's not
in the
right.
school,
I am
and
also
they take
giving
test
example.
also 2 times.
I am also giving an example. We have many government schools. Like you are saying Saraswati, okay, you are thinking about Saraswati school, but there are many government schools which they are not teaching well.
Why? In my village, the government school are teaching very well. Yes. Yes, thank you.
अरे समझ तो लो यार, उनका सटायर तो समझ लो।
मैं कह रहा हूँ बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब
प्लस नाउ बेटा have patience, try to understand his feelings, what he is trying to say. Yes Krishan, go ahead please. बेटा it was just a satire, ये satire था खाली।
So when I passed 10th class, then I go Saupra school, and I feel that it is not good there. Some students are go outside, they have not need to permission to anyone, and they have no streams, not commerce, arts, because last 2 years they have co-streams, and before time it is only 10th standard, and now these days they have no science stream, because I am giving that school in science stream when I am go another school.
Many students nowadays complain by the letter of government offices, then they not study properly. But he changed and he improvement. He gave streams. Use passed 2 years ago. Now they are to 2021. So he improvement many things.
No.
In private school, government school, I many times see that children also beat the teachers.
Yes.
After give धमकी को trap, then I see you outside. I give and they
I have to slap.
I slap you and they also bumped.
You are saying about one school or all?
You say to one school or all over? So I say all over.
Bro.
Because not school are saying.
I passed 12th class in government school. Okay.
I am also.
Okay. Yeah. Children are very crack. Okay. Very crack. Daily bunk and smoke bidi
In the school.
out of ground daily है. Okay. And so teachers saw students. Why are you? What are you doing? Sir, nothing. Yes, you are smoking. No, sir. No, sir. Yes, you are smoking. Sir, you will come outside. I see you. Not private school. Okay. I go to toilet. Sir. Listen. Okay. Sir. I go to toilet. Sir, I go to toilet. Okay, and I went to go toilet. Toilet is
You go मतलब तुम ठंडों में जाओ. Some teachers are knitted cloths and teacher and all students are shouted no.
They are cutting their vegetables.
Sir, they talk that since 1940 I think. Because your it's in 21st century, not in 1940. You tell what teaching that they cut some vegetables. You go to government school and see. It's a 221, not 1940.
Okay, so
First
what
you
about
go.
this school, this government girls school?
Yes, go and see many students. In which school are you studying?
Government girls.
He is a good speaker in English.
He is
She is also taking English classes.
What?
Before that, she used to study in private school.
You are also in private school and they give the charges to speak in English.
Why English classes?
That
you are in private school.
Hey.
You are not studying properly in private school.
No, we study properly.
Why are
So
you
why are you
not?
taking English classes?
Because in lockdown we are not in school. So
Yeah,
we are
lockdown
not-
are also gone.
No, we are not.
Samrat.
So if we are learning something, so we should also
Yes.
going to the floor, not be active.
Wait some time.
I passed 12th in government college. You say that so everyone boys they are went to home and every gully. Hi. Don't focus on study and home. पढ़ लिया घर जाओ. No. Students are bunk in lunch and they are go in girls' school.
Girls' school के साथ.
Yeah.
So
Relatives say that.
स्कूल के सामने
One second. Yes. No. One second. अगर
पहली बात तो प्राइवेट स्कूल में बंक नहीं मार सकते.
when
English.
private school सरकारी स्कूल 3 मंथ तक बंक मारोगे जब नाम नहीं कटेगा. 2 बार बंक मार लो प्राइवेट अपने पापा को बुला के लेके आओ.
I have
So
done
you
1 month also.
हाँ?
In RMS second school.
सर स्कूल के बाहर से मार सकते हैं, स्कूल के अंदर से नहीं मार सकते हैं.
school का
सर अगर एक बार स्कूल में एंट्री हो गया ना बाहर नहीं
Speak in English. Speak in English.
Relatives asking questions on him dad. So तुम्हारा बच्चा क्या कहता है? खाली लड़की पे टाटा है, बंदा नहीं है. It's not the topic of education. It's a topic.
Later जानेंगे later.
It's not the topic of your education.
We are talking about on education.
But I am not talking about
Education.
what he said. Chori patana.
In private schools there are many co-curricular activities like we are inter-school championship and speech competition, debate competition. There are in private schools they not focus only on education but also on skills, like they are having like games or in which there are chess, ludo. They are also having a good games teacher like football teachers and cricket coach who helped students to know this game, to play this game, and this is not in government schools.
Last year
As Aditya has said that there are so many extracurricular activities in private school that it is not true at all, because it's my life experience. It's my life experience from I am in Agarwal from since 2011, and I even not participated in any extracurricular activities because they haven't give others chance to participate, even in dance and in speeches to conducting assemblies. They just choose that children who are even they are choose only that student who are giving
Huge.
before who are giving
No,
that's not like bad.
Sir, we
I have also studied in this bad school that you are studying. Yeah.
music sir.
I said, and as you said, there are so many games, chess, ludo. Even in games period, we just only sitting at our class, and sir take our period, and he just said that do whatever you want to do, and I just go somewhere and do whatever you want to do, but don't make silence. There are no any extracurricular activities in private schools.
Wait.
I said it's my life
In-
experience.
In
I also have experience that in school that you are studying. Okay.
in your school, in Agrawal school, I think this is possible. But there are many more good private schools. Like we have DPS, we have Presidium, GD Goenka. Not only we can't see only on Haryana, but in all over India, like in many private schools. Like I have lived in many places, like in Pune also, in Kanpur also. My schools are very good. In Haryana, only one to private schools, as you have said, that Agrawal Public School. I agree with you. Agrawal School does not provide this, but we can't see only this. There are many more private schools which offer this. Like in Faridabad, we have DPS, Presidium, GD Goenka. These they are private schools. They provide these all.
अभी तो स्कूल में तो बहुत कुछ हो चुका है.
भाई तेरे स्कूल कब होगी?
But no government schools provide this function. This co-curricular.
In Nehru College also provide many facilities. They also in sports, many students are play the university, and they give facility. Now I am also take admission in him, and I also participate in sports, and study rule is very good. No one should take absent. No one take absent. No one take leave, because study is most important for him. There.
In private school and 95% student pass out, but government school student pass out only 50%, 40% pass out, and private school student marks 80 above to 80, but government school student pass out only 40%, only 0.2 pass.
Hey everyone, Radhika here. As you all know that private school is better than the government school. Suppose one time I agree with your point, but the fee structure of private school is very high. Many parents want to study our children in private school, but they are not able to pay the fees because the fees is very high. And the second thing is the government documents. When we clear any sports, any game by government school, the documents are much
Valuable.
than the private school. And the other thing is, when we talk about government school, Delhi government school is totally changed. They organized extracurricular activities. And Aditya says that private school also organize extracurricular activities, but they also give the money to parents, and nowadays, especially during this pandemic situation, many parents not able to pay the fees because they are very high. According to me, education is a wealth, not a product. So then you give me money, then I give you education. It is not a product. So that's why.
They are providing you fan, electricity, teacher, so they will not take money. They are providing you anything, CCTV cameras, safety of your child, camera, fan, like you don't feel like hurt in classroom. There is teacher discipline, sports things. There are many things, smart classes, computer classes. So they will not take money. They will teach in free.
Yeah.
No.
But poorness is the biggest problem of our India. Only rich people can study their children in private school. They poor parents not option to they have to study in government school because if a poor student study in government school, they just pass out. They just pass out now according to you. But if a student has ability and wants to create himself and improve our communication, so government teacher also help him because they get seated and give interview after they selected. This is not any usual like a private teacher also change the school where the school give more money than he change the school, but government teacher not change the school because they give highly knowledge any topic.
Yes.
It is a fact. Everyone says that everyone wants government job and everyone want to be a government teacher. But no. But most parents don't want their children to go in government schools or government colleges.
Okay, many students passed. When we talk about private school, many students passed 12th by private school and they got marks 90 plus. I agree with this point. But after that, they just want to take government seat in government college, like a U University and.
I agree with your point. After 12th, students go to government colleges for graduation. But for post graduation, for higher studies, for MBA and MCA, MS, they have to go in private institutes like IIM and VIT, Vellora. They are all private. After graduation from government colleges, after graduation from government colleges, they get salary up to 4 to 5 lakh or maximum 7 to 10 lakh. But after doing MBA or MCA or MS from private institutes, they get salary more than 20 lakhs.
But their job is safe. But after that, okay, security is not provided. Yes, Ashika. And after do you listen FMS college for MDA in you? It is also government college. And more, I didn't remember the name. So there when we, they get 100% responsibility and means वादा लेते हैं.
Guarantee.
They guarantee 100% placement after the post graduation. Oh sorry, MBA. So that's why they are they are best for because they are also government.
For MBA, no institute is better than IIM because IIM provide maximum salary and they get placement to post like GM, General Manager and Assistant General Manager, which having salary of 17 to 20 lakhs as a fresher. So the job is safe and you have said that FMS for MBA, it is not better than IIM. IIMs are at the top. And if you want to go for higher studies in abroad, you have to go in private sectors, private education.
But okay, which college?
IIM.
The fees structure. Tell me what the fees structure in this college.
25 to 30 lakhs.
80 to 90 people not take admission because of the money, because they have no money, and many if any student take admission, her and his parents sell out his property and they face many problems.
For that we are having education loans, because if you are taking admission in IIM, that means you get 100% placement. So if you take a loan of 30 lakhs, it is you can easily pay out in 1 year. So because my brother is also studying in IIM Shillong, he has taken loan and studying in Shillong.
They give highly interest for when he take loan. So many poor people not give monthly interest because they spend money for our home.
No, we have to pay the. For example, you are studying in IIM and you have taken loan, so your parents don't have to pay out. When you get job, then you have to pay out from your monthly salary.
But when
But the whole country not depend only one IIMs, na? Not whole country depend only one college.
they have future, why they take loan and spend our half income into loan.
But their
They
salary,
also study in less fees colleges.
but their salary is also high, na?
In less in short colleges like Nehru and many other, many students take highly salary after 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh.
Nehru doesn't provide placement.
It's your ability to take placements in everywhere. Also study in college and now in Dubai and take earning 6 to 7 lakh in monthly.
So you want to study, मतलब you want to job in government.
No, private.
Government job is number देगी या चीने देगी.
Listen.
But the government give placement in private sector and public sector.
What?
The IIM college is also
IIM.
Okay. IIM college also giving placement only private sector. But government, when we study in government, we take job in private and public.
For government, you have to prepare. College does not provide you government job. For government,
They have no knowledge, only they are.
Private also not provide government job.
No, I am not saying private.
Coaching center.
Private college and government college both does not provide government job. For government job, we have to prepare self and fill the form and appear for the exam to get the job.
Private coaching centers are providing coaching.
Sir, medical facilities है.
It's good for every youngster because they work hard to know that how we
How to get something.
and then he work hard in study, he get knowledge and he seen that how we
How to achieve something.
achieve something and how develop and our countries because much people study hard and go in ISRO, many agencies.
Suppose government school and colleges are always closed. So how do students study and go to school?
If a very counter question, a very wonderful question, if all government colleges, schools are closed, where will the poor people study?
Yes.
You will have to.
बेटा क्वेश्चन है, सोचते रहो. Wait. Yes, you have got the counter question.
सर कहाँ जाएंगे क्या? काम करेंगे बाहर जाएंगे.
बेटा क्या चल रहा है? लीडर. अरे हद हो गई. Illogical.
Extra working hours, they didn't paid. They are not paid by extra working hours.
Sir, Ranjita, you are studying in private school. Why are you studying?
Wow.
We also study in private school.
So why are you studying? If you think government school is
Because
very
Because we are
My
given
parents-
sent to us
private school because we
they
think
know the condition
Okay,
of private school is
in-
very good.
No,
In-
not at
in
all.
private.
Because, even my parents have said leave private and take admission in government school. Even my cousins, in Delhi, they are studying in private school, and even my sister take admission in medical.
Their school are very good.
Delhi schools are very good.
So
Compared
even
In Haryana, the government school are not good.
even in Haryana, my parents also said that to take admission in government school because even he said that government sir like study वहाँ की ज़्यादा beneficial है.
The education of Delhi is much more beneficial.
Government schools
The education of government is much more beneficial. You are going to get benefits in the future.
In private schools, in all over India, in many private schools they teaches many language like English, German, and French. But in government schools, they are teaching only regional language. There are some schools teaching English, but mostly regional language.